Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 6421 Barrasco Drive here in Viera. We are on the second floor, so I wanted to let you know that one. We are at unit 2201, and you are for a treat today. This place is gorgeous. Look at these amazing floors. Super nice. And we're going to dive right into this kitchen. So we've got gorgeous countertops, nice deep sink. I'll try to go slow so you can see the whole thing. We've got lots of cabinets. Gorgeous refrigerator. Check this out. Super nice. Samsung, and we know Samsung is an amazing brand. Gorgeous colors in here. Everything matches so nicely. Got our dishwasher over here. Gorgeous lighting. Do have laundry in the unit here. So we've got the washer and the dryer. We've got some cabinets above there, some cool little shelves. And then let's jump right into the primary bedroom. So we walk in here and look at this. We've got an amazing, gorgeous walk-in closet. Who doesn't like a walk-in closet, folks? And then we do have the bathroom. And this one has, look at this deep tub. Isn't that cool? So we do have the tub shower combo in here. Nice tiled area, tiled floor. Yeah, gorgeous carpet inside the primary bedroom here. And we do have a patio right outside the primary bedroom, so you can just step right on out onto your private area there. And as we go back through, just to keep your bearings straight, we do have our front door there. We came into the kitchen. We've got a nice split plan as we went into the primary bedroom. So we've got a huge living room area here, and that does have those patio doors as well. And we are going to go in a little bit of a circle here just so you can kind of see. You have our dining room area over on that side into that gorgeous kitchen. So you can be there cooking and enjoying the festivities with anybody who may be sitting at this dining room table, or out in the living room area, maybe watching a nice football game up on a big screen TV. Anyway, we're going to dive right into the second and third bedrooms. So this bedroom is actually tile. So you've got the tile going all the way through into one of the bedrooms. Nice sized bedroom, plenty of space here. And let's jump into bedroom number 3. And this one is carpeted like the primary bedroom. Nice, pretty dark gray. Love the grays. And bonus in here, check this out. We do have a walk-in closet in this bedroom. So if you have a family member, maybe a teenager that has more clothes than we even have, they also can have a walk-in closet, which you know will make them super excited. And then we do have the guest bath on this side. Got your countertops, toilet, tub shower combo. And again, this is Margaret Klein at 6421 Unit 2201 on Barrasco Drive here in Viera, Florida. We just Melbourne, but Viera is definitely the place to be. We have amazing schools. We have so much shopping. You can't even imagine how much shopping we have. And there's a movie theater. Any medical facilities you might need. Viera Hospital is right around the corner. So tons of stuff right here in this area. And we just did a little price reduction. Actually, it was a big price reduction on this one. The seller says, let's sell. So we did just drop this one down to $250,000, which is an amazing price for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath here in Viera, Florida. Margaret Klein's going to sign off now. And I would love to let you know that if you want to see this gorgeous home in person, you can call me, Margaret Klein, 321-480-7662. You can shoot me a text, or if you're currently working with an agent already, just give them a call and tell them, hey, I just saw this amazing condo. I want to go take a look. And I am sure they will get you in. You have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a ton more videos coming your way.